All right, boys and girls, Mystical's back. We're going to look at the day 14 math. So it says sometimes in order to solve a problem, you need to do more than one step or use more than one operation. So, for example, Gustavo bought some tools at a hardware store. He bought 5 tools for $6 each and 1 tool for 7. How much did he spend altogether? So it says to solve, you may choose to draw it out, which is a great method. So I know I had 5 tools, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of those are $6. Then I have a $7 tool over here. Writing the equation, you get 5 times 6 plus 7 equals your total, which they represented as t. So 30 plus 7 equals a total of 37. So in directions, say write an equation with a letter for the unknown, and then solve. So Whitney went to a hobby store. She bought 3 model airplanes for $4 each. So again, I have those 3 airplanes. Pretend these are airplanes. There's 3 of them. And I know this one was $4, this one was $4, and this one was $4. So that's 3 groups of 4 for a total of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She received $8 in change. I want to know, how much money did she start with? So I know this is how much the airplanes cost. I got $8 in change. Well, when I think of a situation when I go to the store and I have change, I'm starting with some amount of money. We'll say M for money, whatever that is. I subtract that from whatever I spent, and that is how I get my change. This is my $8 in change, right? So what my question is asking is, what does that M stand for? How much money did I have altogether? Well, this is where I rely on my math facts. Well, and my fact family knowledge. Well, I know the opposite of subtraction, the inverse is addition. So I could rewrite this problem. I could go 12 plus 8 equals that M amount of money. Now that this is over here, I can work with these two numbers. So 12 plus 8. So 12 plus 8. Well, I have 8 plus 2 more is 10. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So how much money did I start with? I started with, oops, $20. All right, number 2. Grandmother picked 4 times as many apples as pears. What is the difference of the numbers of apples and pears if she picked 8 pears? So again, that idea, what is the difference? I'm going to need to subtract the number of apples and pears. So I'm going to go the apples minus the pears. And that's going to find me my difference. And I'm just going to put D for difference. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I know I picked 8 pears. So my pears is 8. And I know grandmother, she picked 4 times as many apples. So again, that times. So my apples as pears. So I know apples is going to be 4 times 8 minus the number of pears. Again, still equals that difference. All right, order of operations. Order of operations say I always multiply first. So I know I need to go 4 times 8. So again, I can just do a break apart method and double a fact. So I can go 8 times 4. I know 4 is the same as 2 plus 2 times 8. Distribute the 8 times the 2. So I have 8 times 2, which is a total of 16. I have that twice. So 8 times 2 also equals 16. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Regroup 1, 2, and 3 for a total of 32. 32 minus 8. Whoops. Let's fix that. 32 minus 8 equals, so I have 32 minus 8. Starting in the ones place, 2 minus 8, you can't do it, so you got to go to your neighbor and you got to borrow. He becomes a 2, the 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. So the difference is 24. All right. I hope you found this helpful and have a great rest of your day.